Shadows from the window pane, warm blanket wrapped around my frame. Lightning shadows dance without a shame. Every moment feels like a mellow game. Thunder softly hums a gentle tune. Candles flicker in the hazy afternoon. Coffee steam rises in the room. Time slows down like a lazy swoon. Lost in rainy daydreams, waves of echoes and moonbeams. The world outside in silent streams. Inside we float on cozy seams. Lullaby. Pairs of socks keep us warm and dry. Dream worlds crafted in the sky. We chase clouds as they pass us by. Candles melting slow and deep. Moments here for us to keep. Whispers fold as we drift to sleep. Dreams of rain and soothing sleep. Waves of echoes and moonbeams. The world outside in silent streams. Inside we float on cozy seas.